In this part, we want to create an effect that when the mouse over, there is a transparent dark colors on it, and there is also the number of followers and also the comment icon appeared. So now we have to add a custom class, and which is to create that transparent black color. So we go to the tailwind.config.css, and then we go to the theme, and under the extents we create the colors, and we create a name called black RGBA, and then we use RGBA with 0, 0, 0 and the opacity 0.3, and then we add the comma here. So now we already create this custom class, so we can use this at the profile.js. So we go back to the profile.js, and on top of this we create another div, and we use the relative class the group. The group is a custom name, and which is used to trigger another element later. So we create this div, and we put all of these inside the div, and then under this image we create another div, and this is the top cover. So we add the div, and then we have to add the absolute, and then we use top 0 and also opacity 0, and then we also want to use group hover. So when the mouse over the outer div, it will have the opacity equal to 100, and then we want to place exactly the same places as the parent div. So we have to use left 50% and also negative translate of x-axis of 50%, and then we set the width and height is 100%. So we use the width full and x full, and then we use the background color that we just create. This is a transparent black color, semi-transparent should be, and then we use the flash, and we have also the text of white color, and then we want to paste the text at the center of the div. So we use the justify center and also the items center, and then for example we type something, and then we back to our web page, and when we mouse over it, you can see that something already appeared, and there is also a semi-transparent black color, and we should also add the items center. So now when mouse over it, it will become at the center of the div. Now we want to add the icons and also the number to replace this text. So we paste on this, and then we import the heart icon from the hero icon. So we go back to the hero icon, and we duplicate this, and we import the heart icon from the solid hero icon, and also we import the FA command from the SVG icon. Now we can go to see again. You can see everything looks right, except this is in the wrong direction, so we have to use a negative scale. So we back to the icon, and under this command icon we have to add the class name equal to scale x and -1 and save it. Now the direction is correct, and the last thing that we have to add is to make some space between these two icons. So we go to the div, and then we add space x3. Now we can see it has some space in between now, and everything looks pretty, and you can mouse over it and a semi-transparent black color appear, and also the icon also appear.